When the rain falls on my window, I still hear your name in silence. Every day without you feels too long. Thought I moved on from the memory, but it keeps coming back each night. All the days marked on the calendar can't erase what we used to be. Still I whisper in the dark, are you thinking of me too? I'm still waiting here for you, in the place we used to know. Time stands still where we let go. I believe we'll meet again someday. Even if you're far away, your echo still remains. When your birthday comes around, I light a candle just for you. Happy birthday, wherever you are. I hear your laugh in the quiet air, like a song that won't fade out. Even if someone holds your hand, my heart just won't let go. Still I write your name in stars across the sky of yesterday. I'm still waiting here for you. Even time can't change this truth. Close my eyes, you're still so clear. I believe in what we had, even if it's gone today. It was real, it's still right here. Maybe love was not enough to keep you by my side, but I'll leave my heart wide open for the day you change your mind. I'm still waiting here for you, though the seasons come and go. Living through each day without you, I believe, I still believe. Even after all these years, I'll be loving you. You said the words I couldn't breathe, a quiet storm inside of me. You looked away like you were lost, and I just froze beneath the cost. You said we tried but never fit. Too much of me you couldn't fix, but love's not made of perfect lines. It bends, it breaks, it heals with time. And I didn't know you cried alone, didn't see your heart was torn. Now the silence feels so loud and I can't turn it down. If I had known your pain, I would have taken all the rain, held your fears, chased them away. If I had known the price, I would have begged to pay it twice, just to keep your hand in mine, but now I know too late, and you're already gone. You never saw the war in me, you only saw the melody, but now I see the cracks you hid and every scar I never did. You're walking off with quiet grace, while I am frozen in this place, still calling out inside my mind for one more chance, another time. And you never saw the mess I hide, how I break when you're not by. Now I'm screaming through the night, but you're already out of sight. If I had known your pain, I would have taken all the rain, held your fears, chased them away. If I had known the cost, I would have never let you go. I'd fight for us, I'd let you know, but now I know too late, and you're already gone. Maybe this is how love ends, with words we never said, with hearts that meant to hold but fell apart instead. If I could turn the time, I'd never let you go alone, but you're already gone, and I'm still holding on. If I had known your pain, I would have taken all the rain, every tear, every goodbye. If I had known your heart, I wouldn't have let us fall apart. I would have loved you more from the start, but now it's much too late, and you're already gone. I picked some flowers before the spring had bloomed, left them by your door, hoping they'd find you soon. While you sleep a little longer, they'll blossom in the quiet air of your room. Poured a glass of summer stars and set it by your bed. They'll melt away too fast, just like the words I left unsaid. Maybe you still need the silence, maybe peace is where your heart has fled. But the world keeps turning bright without you, spring and summer passing by. Wish you could see it all with open eyes, wish I could show you why. You're still the one I see in the quiet of the morning light, still dreaming where I cannot reach, but I hope you'll speak when you wake again someday, like it's just another day, like the ones we used to share. Pressed a page of autumn leaves and slipped it in your mail, underlined the words I meant in every tale. When you come and find me someday, will you read them out the same? Whispered into winter's breath, a secret just for you. Held it in a sigh when I was feeling still the one I see in the quiet of the morning light. Still dreaming where I cannot reach, but I hope you'll speak when you wake again someday. Like it's just another day, like the ones we used to share. What do you dream of now? Will you tell me when you rise, like always in the morning light? Every word you say, it echoes like a song. Even your silence, it lingers all day long. The way you look away, like you're chasing clouds, leaves me standing in the quiet, wondering out loud. All of you arrives like a riddle I can't solve. Fills the room like dusk, soft and unresolved. You're a mystery I keep inside, a puzzle I wear like a second life. Your laughter's light, but it pulls me deep. Your shadows visit me when I sleep. Built a castle in the sky so high, hung a window just for you to find. When the wind comes, it knows your name, and I open it wide, letting your flame. Even just a glance becomes a heavy truth, a promise I can't carry, but I gave it all to you. You move like seasons that I can't hold down, but leave your scent like spring that's come around. You're a note that fades but won't let go, and I'm just listening for the undertow. You're a mystery I keep inside, a puzzle I wear like a second life. Your laughter's light, but it pulls me deep. Your shadows visit me when I sleep. Built a castle in the sky so high, hung a window just for you to find. When the wind comes, it knows your name, and I open it wide, letting in your flame. If sorrow blooms on quiet tracks, I'll walk them all to bring you back, like cosmos flowers in the rain. You bloom then fade, but still remain. You're a mystery I breathe each night, a secret etched in the morning light. The way you smile, the way you left, all of it still holds my breath. And if the wind should bring you time I wore the light, held someone's hand and felt alive, like every street was made for me, and every breeze knew what I need. I danced through scenes, I knew my lines, every glance a perfect sign. Even the flowers played their part, opening with my beating heart. But now the sound has faded low, the stage is cold, the curtains slow, and I don't know if they still see the girl I used to be. Will I ever be the lead again? The stage is cold, the curtains slow, and I don't know if they still see the girl I used to be. Will I ever be the lead again? Will someone call me beautiful like then? If I had just one day to shine, I'd give it all, I'd blur the line between the dream and what is true, just to feel the light again with you. Now the script reads plain and dry, a quiet role with no reply, no spotlight left to chase me down, just echoes in an empty town. The set is changed, the color's gone, and all my magic lines are wrong. They didn't write me in this time, I passed the frame without a line. Will I ever be the lead again? Will someone call me beautiful like then? If I had just one day to shine, I'd give it all, I'd blur the line between the dream and what is true, just to feel the light again with you. I was more than just a name, I was fire, I was flame, but stories fade and roles get lost. No one counts what love has cost. Will I ever be the lead again? Not a whisper, not even when I stand alone in quiet grace, a memory blurred to one can replace. If I fade without a sign, at least I burned, at least I tried. Some things don't heal with time alone. There's a silence deep beneath the bones. Nights I couldn't love myself enough, left my heart a little rough. The mirror shows a face I barely know, so I close my eyes, let the silence grow, wishing for tomorrow just to start again. While chasing dreams I lost back then, was that child who dreamed in stars and sea, just breaking down to become me. There was an ocean inside of me, where wonder lived so endlessly. trace of all the joy I used to chase. But I still feel the breeze above, like whispered memories of love. If I could run with waves once more, I'd find the self I'm searching for. Fear still lingers in quiet ways, on nights that steal the light from days. And all the doubts I used to fight still echo softly in the night. But when I open up my eyes and breathe, the world arrives like a gift to me. In every light, in every sound, I start to feel my feet on ground. How was the question I feared to ask? Now I'm finding answers in the past. There was an ocean inside of me, where wonder lived so endlessly. Now it's faded, just a trace of all the joy I used to chase. But I still feel the breeze above, like whispered memories of love. If I could run with waves once more, I'd find the self I'm searching for. Across the line, my memories call, a voice I forgot above it all. And through the tide I drift again to where my soul had first began. So even if I lose my way and shadows try to make me stray, I won't close my eyes in fear. I'll stay awake and hold me near. There's no more shame in how I feel. No need to fake, no need to heal. I know my name, I know my skin, and now I know where I began. Waking up beside your smile, sunlight pouring through the blind, whispers soft in morning light. Feels like I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. Coffee cups and quiet tunes, sharing thoughts that drift like bloom. Even silence feels complete when you are here with me. I just wanna live this love out loud, in the little ways, in every vow. Through the pouring rain, or skies that burn in gold, let's hold the world together, hand in hand, grown old. Every day with you feels like home. days mean more when I'm wrapped up in your arms. I never ask for more. I just wanna live this love out loud, in the little ways, in every vow. Through the pouring rain or skies that burn in gold, let's hold the world together, hand in hand, grown old. Every day with you feels like home. No need for grand goodbyes. You're the reason I try. Through all the in-betweens, you're my every dream. I just wanna live this love out loud, in the little ways, in every vow. Through the morning light and midnight blue, there's nothing more I'd rather do than spend every day with you. Yes, every day with you feels like home. You never looked back, didn't say goodbye. No promises made, just left me dry. You moved like thunder through the rain, too wild to hold, too cold to explain. You never blushed, you never broke, didn't laugh at empty jokes. But when you smiled that once so rare, I lost myself in the fire you wear. Every word you said cut like a flame. Tried to hate you, but it's still the same. I scream your name in the night, but it fades before the morning light. Why do I still love you? Why can't I forget you? Every song I sing, it breaks me through, saying I still need you. Why you? Why you? Your touch, it burned like a scar I hide, and no matter how I run, you're still inside. You left no trail, no final clue, just vanished like the wind that blew. I try to bury what we had, but every breath still hurts so bad. You're a ghost I cannot fight, still dancing in my mind each night. Why do I still love you? Why can't I outgrow you? Every night I fall into the truth, I still adore you. Why you? Why you? Have you seen a world so wide, still untamed, still walking pride? Is he dancing now in someone else's song, while I'm here breaking all alone? Why do I still love you? Why do I breathe through you? Why do I scream your name like a fool? Baby, I miss you. Why you? Why you? Still I love you, still I do. Why you? The morning sings in quiet tones, with birds that call a gentle home. Sunlight dances through my window pane, a sneeze held back, then gone again. Outside, the kids are off to school, their laughter bright, the air is cool. Dad walks back from morning walks with healing water full of talks. And Mom is humming in the kitchen light, the kettle sings, the eggs cook right, while I stretch out and rub my eyes. This peaceful life, a sweet surprise. Oh, golden morning, simple and true, the little things that carry me through. In this quiet town I've come to see, these tiny joys are everything to me. Golden morning, you make me feel like everything I need is real. The sky is high, a perfect blue. I breathe it in and feel brand new. A dragonfly above the trees spins in circles lazily. The clock strikes loud, the children play, my uncle's voice from far away. The laundry flaps against the breeze, and time stands still in days like these. Oh, golden morning, warm and white, you hold me close, you calm my mind. With every laugh and gentle scene, you build the world I've always dreamed. Golden morning, you help me see that life is more than chasing dreams. So when the birds begin their song, I know exactly where I belong. Golden morning, stay a while, you make it all worthwhile. I don't have much I can give to you, but take my heart, it's all I do. You've given more than words can say, so I love you in a quiet way. In every gentle word I speak, I try to show the love you bring. And if it reaches where you are, would you know how loved you are? Whatever brought you here to me, whatever reason made us be, you stayed beside me through the light and through the dark and restless night. I hope in joy and even pain that I can be the one who stays forever close through everything. Stay with me always. No headline means as much to me as when you simply smile at me. days I'll find new ways to softly say whatever led us to this love, it's written in the stars above. And if the